Hey guys, so it's like almost midnight and that's why I look pathetic. It was after college today. Two of my very close friends are moving abroad for their higher studies. They're going to be leaving the end of this month. So I wanted to throw them a farewell party. Actually, என்ன பிரச்சனை அப்படின்னா இந்த farewell partyல I decided to do a farewell party and then I had to coordinate with my friends because each one was like in a different place. Like Kritika is in a different country and Vaishu is having constant night duties. இதெல்லாம் விட worse, the actual guys who are going abroad are not available. Like they have so many plans. Like they had to go to their hometown, check with other friends and family members and all that. And you know what, I'm just gonna go sit one second. So basically அவங்களும் ரொம்ப பிஸியாக இருந்தாங்களா and Loki, I couldn't find a date which will accommodate everyone in that. For you, I asked and I have decided for 26th, okay? 26th evening, I have booked the space and everything for this farewell party, but I am low-key scared as to how this is going to be executed. So I'm going to be bringing one of the friend for the surprise, and this other friend I am yet to finalize எப்படி அவனை கொண்டு வரதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு, because he apparently has other plans as well. So I have to keep this as a secret, but I have to also bring them to that place. I almost had an anxiety attack this morning because one of my friends said that he'll have an appointment for his extraction on Friday. Like வேறு எதுனா கூட நான் கன்வின்ஸ் பண்ணலாம், எக்ஸ்ட்ராக்ஷன் பண்ணிவிட்டு எப்படி அவனை நான் பார்ட்டிக்கு வர சொல்கிறது. It's just so scary. Like only told the trustable ones right now. I'm yet to tell the extended circle of friends. Like or 15 to 16 people are going to come. Okay, I want this to be like a proper surprise because I'm pretty sure both of them will not be expecting this. Actually, நான் more than a month plan பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். I have been searching for the places and decorations and everything for more than a month, and I've been trying to coordinate with these two boys without them knowing. But I really hope on that day everything goes super smoothly. I'll be updating you guys. So I'm also doing this stitching. I'm stitching a pillowcase for my friend. Pillowcase இருக்கு, embroidery பண்றேன் அதுல. So அதை complete பண்ணணும். I have to go to college as well as do all this. And in the பண்ற decoration எல்லாம் I have to go give it to another friend. She going there like 15 minutes earlier. They'll be decorating the place and I'll be bringing one of my friend, and this other friend ku இன்னும் I haven't decided. I'm having some of the worst days because of the fact that they are leaving, and it's like they are my close friends circle, so it's gonna be like a huge change. If you guys have been following me for a long time, you know how much like I spend time with them. They are literally there in all my vlogs, all my posts. And ever since I finished final year, I got super close with them. And like, I mean, they were always my friends. 5-6 years we have been close friends. Anna, in the last 8 months, 9 months, we've been extremely close. Probably adanala this is going to take a huge toll on my mental health, and college is another huge. Try பண்ணலாம். Okay, I'm going to do my best. I'm not going to panic. Hopefully I'm going to do my best, and I'm going to try my best to make this party a good surprise for both of them, because they do really deserve this, because they're going to go very far away from us for a very long time. So yeah, they do deserve this, and papam how it goes, I'll keep updating you guys.
கேமரா செட் ஆயிட்டுலாம் தெரிஞ்சிச்சு.
எங்க கேமரா செட் ஆயிருக்கு? வா கதை தோற கதவு தோறடா.
வைஷாலி பார்த்துட்டேன்.
கதவு தோறடா.
வருவான மாட்டானா வருவான் அபாப் கார்த்திக் என்ன கார்த்திக் தேங்க் யூ
Yeah, please act for the video. என்னாச்சு? Yeah, open only the private place. டப்பா பார்த்து பயந்துறாத. அது நைக்கா டப்பா. Adroma. Yeah, if you want reference, you can watch Ritika's video.
Hey, you know how like
Did you get surprised?
அந்த இதுக்கு ரவுத்தர் பிரியாணி கிட்ட இருக்கும் ஹோட்டல்
மறுபடியும் ராங் சைடுல தான் ஓட்டணும்.
And my friend longing இருக்கும். So we are here in the Nadu Road and the friend who's supposed to leave is not here yet. So it's like 12 a.m. and we are in Nadu Road. Airport business. Sun-kissed look for Ritika. I can't see the road. So நாங்க வந்து 6:30 குள்ள போற ஒரு பர்சனுக்கு வந்து 5:47க்கு கிண்டி கிட்ட ஆக்சுவலி இது கிட்ட இருக்கும் அண்ணா யூனிவர்சிட்டி கிட்ட இருக்கும் ஓகேவா so now my racer chick Ritika is going to take us over there in like 10 to 15 minutes even though Google Maps says it's going to take 30 minutes.
bro I don't know அதுக்கு நான் பறந்து தான் போணும்.
I don't care. Let's have a look at the traffic friends.
பட் இதை விட கொஞ்சம் லேட்டா போனா கூட we would have been stuck.
ஆமா இது வந்து கொஞ்சம் மூவிங்கா இருக்கிறதுனால I think we will make it.
Very chaotic.
Yes, after
Guys,
chaos.
update from the racer chick. I am stressed. But it was worth it.
Yes. Now meet Shalu, who came all the way for us from running and chasing பண்ணி 8 minutes தான் பார்த்தோம். நான் பார்த்தேன். Ritika couldn't even see. It was like a chaotic, stressful இது. அதனால வந்து லிட்டரலாக அங்கே போனோம். we just like said hi. அதுக்குள்ள வந்து அவனை உள்ள வந்து போன்னு துரத்தி விட்டாங்க.
Airport parking so like expensive?
Yeah, airport parking is
I
so
paid 100 rupees for that 8 minutes.
Yeah, stupid. Airport parking is so expensive and it's so crowded and it's just so unorganized.
Hey, but today it was fine. Last time when we went it was terrible. And I didn't even make it.
Yeah, she didn't make it. So like 2 of my friends couldn't make it because when the traffic ரொம்ப நிறைய இருந்தது. But I made it. Thankfully I made it. And Ritika sacrificed her time for me.
No, but I said bye.
Yeah, she said bye.
I still called him to my car and I said bye.
Yeah, but I saw a car for like 8 seconds. When she saw car in the car for like 2 seconds.
Wow. Oh, boat idea. Boat on
Okay, bye friends. Bye Sadhya. I think this is going to be the end of the vlog. It is a depression story. I think I think depression will start probably from like night or tomorrow. But right now I'm fine. So, ஏதோ சொல்கிறேன் edit பண்ணும்போது என்னன்னு கேட்டுக்கிறேன். That's it for this vlog friends. See you.